Hello everyone, welcome back to Lunch Tech Bites. My name is Amelia and this is your daily feed for tech. Give Screencastify a try. Select it on the upper right corner of your screen. Select it. You can enable the microphone, you can embed the webcam as well. You can record the desktop or only the browser tab. This is entirely up to you. I'm going to start recording to make sure that it is working. This window might pop up if you have multiple monitors attached to your computer. I'm going to select this monitor and I'm going to share. The countdown will help you get prepared to begin the recording. To stop the recording, go back to the Screencastify option and then select from the Play menu options, Stop. Your Screencastify recordings are automatically saved in your Google Drive account. Feel free to modify the title of the recording. Once you title the recording, click Save. Please note that Screencastify free version does have limitations. Reference Screencastify FAQs for more information. Please note that the Screencastify extension will only work with Chrome. Teachers and students can use Screencastify for video recording. They can use it for video presentations, interviews, book reviews, research projects, creative videos, and how-to videos, and much more. Get creative, get creating with video.